Guys, this is the Rolls Royce Ghost 2011. I posted in my page, so I came to the owner house. So I'm here with the owner. This is the owner here. So I just want to show you guys everything. You know, when I mentioned the price, it looked funny, but that is the original price of the car. 87 million naira for this one, to your doorstep. This car is 100% run and drive, guarantee. Everything in this car. This car has a parking sensor, it has a roof light. It has a roof light, it has everything. This is the fullest option, Rolls Royce Ghost 2011 model, clean tight with stainless wheel. I'm gonna show you guys every down thing in this car. My brother, this is a pure good opportunity. I'm in the owner house. This is the basement. Let me put my camera. This is the basement. Even the man have another car here. Look at the other car he has. It has another what they call this one, another Rolls Royce here. Can see? So let me show you guys. This is a very great opportunity for you to become owner of Rolls. You can see the leg, 87 million naira. Let's deal. Finish now. Look at the inside. This is original. Now look at the DVD table. Look at the beautiful umbrella here. Look at the umbrella. This umbrella. 87 million naira. Let's finish now. This umbrella here. It has two umbrella. Rose. It has two umbrella. Okay. 87 million naira. Let's finish now. Give me your address. I'll bring it for you. It has a full panel roof. You can see. This is the fullest option. This is a roof light. You know, it's two. I posted the other one is beach interior. This one is off-blood interior. Take a look at it. This is a luxury. I dey tell you, no be joke. Okay, bring your lawyer. Let's have an agreement. I'll bring it for you. No be cho. Guarantee. Run and drive car. Let me show you guys everything here. Give me 87 million naira. Bring it for your house. This is second umbrella here. This is second umbrella. See? Second umbrella. See? This is luxury. This is roof light. See the DVD player, the control. 87 million naira. Give me. Let's have a deal. Okay? I say the car, the engine is guaranteed. Everything in the car is 100%. No B99, no accident, no single accident history in this car. Okay, if you buy this model from me, if you find any fault in this car or find any accident history in this car, I will give you your money ×2 back with interest. Just that I have the opportunity. This kind of opportunity is once in a while. This place, don't be poor man, no, they live inside this place. If you watch, you're gonna say poor man. Look at that Porsche GT. You can see another rose here. So na big man there, they kind of water, money na water. So na big man, this is what they call JVC something. Look at the key, the AC, everything is working perfectly. Everything in this car is working perfectly. The AC is chilling. It's a very great opportunity. The owner is a billionaire. He has this car too, like you guys can see another one. He has two, so he wants to sell this one. Look at that light here. Clean, no scratch, no single scratch. You will not find any single scratch in this car. Look at the DVD here. Look at your tray. This is your tray where you can eat food, and everything is here. This is your light. What did I love in this car so much? The interior, very luxury, very luxury. This car did not even look like his model. This car is 2011, but it looked like 2020. This is fully luxury. Fully luxury. 4-door. My brother, what are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? It's only some of best can run it. Look at the wheel. Stainless wheel. It's only some of best can run it. You see the wheel? I say guarantee. Now the owner house I did. Where I did now at the owner house. You can see the plate number there. No single fault. If you want, I can go and print the test for you. If you like, you can just. We have an agreement, make a deposit. I will take it to Rolls Royce company. They will run proper test. I will send you the results. Send it to your mechanic. No single error in the car. I need only 87 million naira. We did. I bring it for your house. Buying and shipping. I go bring her for Abuja anywhere. Just tell me, give me address. I go bring them. No, you don't need to worry. If you are in Abuja anywhere where you do, just buying and shipping, give me your address. I go bring the car for you. Finish. Our business go finish. Open the bonnet. Rolls-Royce Ghost. V12. 12 cylinder. 12 cylinder. No be cho. Now we the runner. Any car where you know see cheap for some of best platform, I forget them. Now tested with the run. If they play, if they show. The man get that too. See another one way pack there. See this one. Anyone dispose this one. And the man buy new model. So he buy another new model. If they play, if they show. The one that they here with me, if they play, if they show. No be run and drive. See the kilometer here. It's normal. It's the mileage never even reach 100,000. See the kilometer. They see. If they play, if they show. Tested. The AC chilling. Tested. VIP. Oga, if they play, if they show. See your tray. Where you go to eat. You can just press it. You see? Your tray where you go to eat. Your control. Everything there. Yeah. Okay, they play, they show. See the roof light. They see the roof light with a full panel roof. With a full panel roof. Oh. With full panel roof. Oh. If they play, they show. My friend, you drive it up, down. Let me close it for letting drive it. If they play, if they show. Don't be cho. Let him drive it. We don't go run and for outside, come out. But I just want to show you guys, make you see how the movement they did. 87 million naira. Now. Go finish them now. 87 million naira. Go finish them now. Give us your address. We'll bring them for you. Anywhere in Abuja, anywhere in the world. Fullest option, Rolls-Royce Ghost, 2011, fullest option with roof light, parking sensor, parking assist, cruise control, it has everything. V12, 87 million naira, okay? You need them. The other one is going for 85 million naira. Even the other one, I can do that one, 80 million. The other one will get white interior. I can do that one, 80 million. Give us address, we go bring her for you. But this one now, 87 last. But the other one, I can do the other one, 80. Okay, I mean the runner. Now some best. We they go direct contact, direct. You know they go. This one a direct contact, direct dealer, like no be dealership, direct contact the owner. If this car don't enter dealership now, you no go see this car, 100 million. But this one a direct owner. The owner, you know say direct owner now they buy. No be, na real matter. Okay, give me a call before you hear sold. See the wheel. No accident. Tire everything there. Any car where they tell you say 100 million naira, come to me, I'll give it to you 50 million. Don't be play. Oh. If you doubt me, bring your lawyer. We have an agreement, I'll bring your car. But, okay? No shaking. You know, say I pass music. I pass music. You know music where if you play for me, man, no fee dance. I pass all music. So for me to tell you, say what will be 87 million naira. If you doubt me, I will use my money run for you. But you go pay extra 10 million, I go use my full cash, run for you, bring it for your house, you go pay me full cash. Don't be just. Now real matter. If I bring her for your company, they go confirm the motor. Once you confirm the motor, you go transfer my money to my boys. They go move. Don't be or no get time. Anything where you know see in my platform, any car where you know see cheap in my platform, I can forget them. Peace and love. Only one phone number, +971 5477 32651. Don't be play. Peace and love. Direct contact, direct owner. If you even want that white one self, we can easily sell it for you. That one where they there. Any color where you need. Direct owner, I go see area where I day. See where I did. Now billionaires there here, no be churches. These are basement. Now billionaires there here. Got it? So no be for say they go put a rubber on top. No, this one a direct ownership. Direct ownership, short contact. So peace and love.